Welcome to Mobile Application Tutorials. My name's Nigel. In the first tutorial of this series, we showed you how to download the camera intent project from GitHub. Now we're going to do the opposite. We're going to show you how to upload any of your Android Studio projects up to GitHub. And I'm going to use the image gallery project as an example. Let's get started. Right, first of all, I'm just going to go into my GitHub account. As you can see, it's just got the single repository, camera intent, from the first tutorial series, and it's got my username. So now I'm going to add another repository with the image gallery project to it. So I need to go into my Android Studio, go into VCS, version control system, and select import into version control, share project on GitHub. Give the repository a new name. I think I'll call mine RecyclerView image gallery. And put a description in there as well. So I'm going to say project source code for the how to create an image gallery using RecyclerView, and then select share. Okay, now it's sort of an automated process of a number of steps. It's now telling me to do a commit, so it's offering me which source code. I'm going to select all source code, and I'll just call it initial commit for how to create an image gallery RecyclerView tutorial. Select OK. It's now performing the commit. It's pushing it up to GitHub master. I'm looking at the bottom here, and good, it's successfully shared RecyclerView image gallery, where you can all now get access to it. Now let's go back to my GitHub account and see what happened there. Here it is here. Let me refresh this page. Okay, this is looking good. I've got the RecyclerView image gallery here. I'm going to open up that project. And here it is here for download. Now there's only one thing here. It's got the Readme file from the original camera intent tutorial series. This is not the camera intent, this is the image gallery, so I'm just going to need to edit that file just to give it the right name. So, I've got the Readme file here, select that, I'm going to select edit this file, and I'm going to call it image gallery RecyclerView, and it's the source code how to create an Android app using how to create an Android image gallery using RecyclerView video tutorial series. Okay, that's all I want to make. It's an update to there. I add an extra description. Changed description from camera intent to image gallery RecyclerView. That's just to give me the context of what changes I've made. If I ever have to look back at any of my source codes for Git, I can actually see why I made that change before I submitted it into the version control. Now I'll commit that changes. And for all of you who read that, you'll sort of recognize the naming convention there and go, oh, image gallery RecyclerView. Okay, so that's the code I need to download from Nigel's project just to get it working. And so that's it. If we go back to this repo, and if you select here, that will give you the address of the repository to download the image gallery using RecyclerView. But I recommend you follow the whole tutorial first, do it yourself. And if you get stuck, you made any typos or spilled a cup of coffee or distractions, and you're getting exasperated, you can just jump in here, download the code and compare it with what you've been doing. So that's a common process. Anyway, from this tutorial, we just learnt how to create repos using Android Studio, pushing up the Android Studio source code, then you can share it with anyone else. You can also save your changes and see any changes you've made in the past. All stuff for standard version control. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one. This now concludes the ending of the creating an image gallery using RecyclerView. I hope you enjoyed this one. Plenty of other tutorials down in the pipeline, just working out which one I should do next. Anyway, if you enjoy my tutorials, please subscribe. That's all for this one. Bye for now. And take a photo of the cup of green tea again. And we have the actual image itself. Effectively, nothing's changed from the previous tutorial, except what I expect to see here is this bitmap image greatly reduced, so we're not taking up too much RAM in the system. Everything happy with our phone. Okay, we can stop recording now.